In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move emails to folder in Gmail. If your inbox is overflowing and you want a simple, reliable way to tidy things up, this walkthrough will help you get organized fast. In Gmail, what many people call folders are actually labels. Moving an email to a label takes it out of your inbox view and files it under that label on the left sidebar, so you can find it later without clutter in your main inbox. Start by opening Gmail in your web browser. Give the page a moment to load so your inbox fully appears. You'll see a list of emails with small checkboxes to the left of each message. Click the checkbox for any email you want to move. You can select one or many at once. To grab a block of emails, click the first checkbox, then hold Shift and click the last one in the range. If you need to move everything on the page, use the topmost checkbox above the list to select all visible messages. With your email selected, look at the toolbar that appears at the top of the inbox. Find the Move to button. It looks like a folder icon. It's different from the Label button, which looks like a tag. The Move to button not only applies the label you choose, it also removes the emails from your inbox view, keeping things cleaner. Click Move to, and a list of your existing labels will appear. Scroll through the list or start typing the label name to quickly filter the options. Then, click the label you want. That's it. Gmail immediately files the selected emails into that label and takes them out of the inbox. You'll usually see a brief confirmation at the bottom of the screen along with an undo option in case you clicked the wrong label. At this point, you're done. Your emails are moved and removed from the inbox. You can find them anytime by clicking the label's name on the left sidebar. Remember, this does not delete your messages. It simply relocates them so your inbox stays focused on what's new. If you ever need to locate a message quickly, the search bar at the top of Gmail will still find it, even if it's been moved. To recap the flow in practice, open Gmail, select your emails with the checkboxes, click the folder-shaped Move to icon, choose your label, and you're finished. Repeat this as needed to keep your inbox lean and your important messages neatly organized where you expect to find them.